Hi, in front of me is Motorola Moto G10 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by going into Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it. Click Get Started and tap OK. Then click on the switcher next to LED keyboard, choose OK again and tap on Input Options. Over here you need to select LED keyboard one more time by clicking on it. And after that, pick one of the options. Now you can choose keyboard that you want to apply, for example that one. Click on it and close on that. Choose Get Theme and wait. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!